G'day everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make Chartreuse paint colour. I'm using lemon yellow and cyan blue. Okay, put some yellow paint here and just a small amount of blue. Okay, now we'll just get a tiny little bit of blue on the palette knife, just a little tiny bit like that, and mix it up in the yellow. Mix up some more blue and change the colour a bit more. As you can see, you don't need much blue. Okay. More blue. There you go. We have Chartreuse here, lime green, and some other greens. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe, and we'll see you all later. Bye for now.